Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Apply toothpaste with these ingredients on your skin. See the magical results within 15 minutes. Here in this video, I will show you an amazing remedy to get rid of open pores from your skin and make your skin fair, glowing and spotless. It also works to clean your skin deeply and helps to remove pimples, acne and dark black spots. If you have wrinkles on your face, it will make your skin wrinkle-free and give you a healthy younger skin. If you spend only 10 to 15 minutes, you can achieve a bright glowing look instantly. Both male and female can use this remedy for their skincare, but you must apply some moisturizer or lotion after washing your skin. If you have sensitive skin, you should apply it on your hands first. If you think it will work on your face skin, then you can apply this remedy on your face. This remedy is 100% natural and there are no side effects. So before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications so that you will never miss any of my videos. To make this remedy, at first take an egg. Then take the egg white in a bowl. Now whisk the egg white and make it bubbles. Eggs are great for deep cleansing treatments and the protein is good for firming up your skin. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of wrinkles from your skin. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Then take a fresh tomato and cut it into half. Then add half tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that offers many benefits for skin. Tomato juice increases fairness, balancing pH, tightening pores, treating sunburn, reducing irritation and curing acne. Then add 1 tablespoon of white toothpaste. From household cleaning to beauty uses, toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne. Toothpaste has a drying effect on pimples which can help reduce redness and inflammation, shortening the life cycle of a blemish. Now add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. Wheat flour is known to lighten your skin's complexion, giving it a natural and glowing look and also in generating flawless skin. In fact, it is also used to treat uneven pigmentation and dark spots on your face. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now take the mixture and apply it on your skin gently. Massage it onto your skin as a thin layer and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash off with normal water. After washing your skin, apply some lotion or moisturizer on your skin. You should not apply it on your eye side area. It can irritate your sensitive skin. You can also use this on your hand and neck areas. Do it 2 times in a week for best results. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.